The Breadbasket by Devon M. and Jennifer O.
Chloe B, if you have to this is yours, but you can confirm this is your poster. I think it's yours, but I'm not positive. This is the one that won. She does. Okay, so you guys are winners. So you guys get, what do I say, Nancy? Alright, Diego, you guys won.
Keep it up.
Well, let me press the button.
That's weird. Let's try. It's all kind of frozen up, isn't it?
Yeah.
All right, leave it with me. I'll try and figure it out. Thank you.
Do I need a pass?
No, I'm assuming you were with me. All right, so what was I going to say? I was just going to say something and I lost track. That happens to me a lot. You know that.
Geography. The Mid-Atlantic geography is beautiful, with lowlands and wide, deep rivers and part of the Appalachian Mountains.
The breadbasket. The Mid-Atlantic was called the breadbasket because of their fertile soil and ideal for farming. They made lots of money out of their growth, such as bread and wheat.
Farmers grew wheat to make bread. William Penn, which founded the colony of Pennsylvania in 1682.
The Mid-Atlantic includes New York, Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Delaware, and Maryland.
People of the Mid-Atlantic colony. We had farming. They farmed for wheat, that's why the state got their name. We also had training to make money through trade. We also had bakers who bought the wheat from the farmers to make bread to sell again. What we need naval stores from the New England colonies to make boats. And we need rice from the southern colonies. And we also needed manufactured goods and tea from the other England colonies. Political decisions. The most important decisions were made on market day, which they sell food and crops.